Daddy. Morning, Zed. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Sus. Good morning, Zach. Anyway, ha? Where? Anong binigay mo? Okay, wait lang. Anyway, it's 10:40 na. And we're late for breakfast as usual. There you go. So, yun. Kain kami. I don't know where. Bago ka lang makalimutan, I want to greet Aliyah Cabrera. Happy birthday. Nag-message yung tita mo si Annie kagabi. I-greet ka daw. Daddy, say happy birthday to Aliyah.
Happy birthday, Aliyah.
Bata pa yun eh. And yun. Congratulations. Okay, sinansa ka ni tita mo yung grades mo. Tataasain for, well, lahat A. Ayun, congrats and happy birthday! We are here sa McDo and merong tiyanggi-tiyangging nagaganap. So, buta ka dyan later. Hi, Zach! Pati din may itsura ko. What a hair! My golly! Hi, guys! We're back home. It's 12:40. Dumating kami mga 12-ish. So, ayan, wala lang. Busog pa. So, lunch will be late today. Anyways, yun. We'll see you later. Hi! Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Sige, sige, sige. Daddy Vince on ukulele, and Mommy on vocals. Yes. Well, you done me, and you felt I tried to bring you. I just so hot that I melted, felt right through your tracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me. To find an invention, I reckon it's again my turn to win some and learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family. It's a God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Hirap na na. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. I dropped the glass, so I drew in your face and I laughed. I guess what I was saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. Wala ba kasi tono? I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate. And the time is short. This is something. I'm yours. Wow. I hope you like that jamming session. And comment down below if you want to see more. Yung palang memorize ni Daddy yung kanta. Yay! Clap your hands for Daddy. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay.
Guys, super late lunch. Ano lang, 3:20. Ang off na naman kasi ng schedule namin, diba? Alas 12 kami nakauwi. Tapos nakatulog si Zach ng 1. Tapos si Zeb, yun, magti-3 nung nakatulog. So, ngayon lang ako kaya nanginginig na ako sa gutom. Grabe. Kain tayo. Ito pa yung binili ko last week na 3 sa isang pack. Sulit. Okay. I'm gonna watch Judy muna. Wala na. Hindi na ito matutulog. Mag-aalas 4 na. Eh, ang aga niyang nakatulog. Nung pauwi kami, diba nakauwi kami 12, on the way pauwi, nakatulog siya sa stroller. Pero, as usual, nung binuhat na, nandito na kami, nagising. Tapos, nung nakatulog siya ng 1, sabi ko kay Daddy, ididire-diretso ko na tong nap niya. Ano? How was your nap? You had a good nap? Yeah. Hindi dire-diretso ko na yun. Sabi ko, start niya na patulugin si Zeb. Kasi si Zeb ay matulog. So, nakatulog na siya. Mag-aalas 3 na. Yung usual na namin. Lately kasi, ang aga na rin namin nagnanap, diba? 1:30 kasi ako nagpapatay ng TV after ng Long Island medium. Tapos, minsan 2 o'clock or bago mag 2:30 tulog na. O kanina, pag nandito daddy niya, ako. Anyway, so yun, mag-aalas 3 na siya natulog. Kaya yun. Siya. Si daddy naman ang kumakain ngayon. So yun, ang sarap ng aking luto sa steak. Medium well. Medyo pinkish pa yung gitna. Buti naman. Kasi yung last time na yung first na luto ko na well done ko, medyo matigas. Pero ngayon, much better. Ay, 4 na. Ang bilis ng oras. Ano ba naman yan? All smiles today. Huh? All smiles today. Kiss naman si Mommy. Can I have a kiss? So, simplihan ko ng gupit ng kuko. Ang bilis humaba ng kuko ni Zeb. So, kailangan ko na naman siyang gupitan. Ito naman ako sa aking Mission Impossible. Oh, naman. Are you serenading Mommy? Yay! Pinalakpa ka ng sarili. One more. One more. Wow! Uh-oh. Do not touch this. Go. Yes! What's that, Kuya? Uh-oh. Oh, be careful. Hi, guys! Yay! We are off to East Coast. Picnic mode ulit, yes. Sana dinala mo ukulele. Yes, jamming. Jamming tayo sa East Coast. It's 6:05. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Zach. Show Zach. Hi, Zach. Okay, come on. Hold Mommy. Uh-oh. So, si Daddy ang gustong i-hold. Okay. Let's go. Come here, come here. So,
Grabe, pahirapan kaming paalisin doon. Ako pala, kasi si Daddy nauna na sa Starbucks is buying drinks. Ako yung nagbantay doon. Diyos ko, Lord. Ayaw umalas. Pawis na pawis, oh. Hey, looking for Daddy? Daddy. Daddy. Ayan na, nakakatulog na. Hi. Nauna na kami dito while Daddy is waiting for our orders. I'm gonna have chai prep. Yay! I don't know anong order ni Daddy. Uh-oh! Daming tao. Iba talaga pag weekend. Pero Kerry, may pwesto naman. Nakatulog ang bata. Chai prep. Ano sa'yo? Green tea. Okay, wait. We are having croissant.
Eat for Zeb.
And then, yung rice ni Zeb and nilaga. Yes, picnic talaga kami. How's your nap? How's your nap? Huh? How's your nap? Okay, ito lalayin. Sila Daddy is somewhere over there. Naglalaro. Asan na ba? Ayun. It's there. Si Daddy. Naglalaro sila ng bola ni Zeb. Ang layo naman. Doggies. And complete na kami. Kanina mag-isa lang ako. Ay, dalawa lang kami ni Zach.
Uh-oh.
Tapos na sila mag-play. So, yeah. Rest for a while.
Where's mommy sleeping?
Oo, can you find it? There! You want me wear it?
Why? You want to go na? Huh? Are you tired?
Are you tired? You want to sleep na? Char. Char! Hi guys! Nakuwi na kami kanina pa mga 30 minutes ago. It's now 8:20. And lalabas ulit kami to the grocery store. Bibili for tomorrow's ulam. I still don't know what. Tapos tinapay, mga ganun. Breakfast. So tomorrow we're not gonna have breakfast outside. Okay? Okay? Okay, Mom. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, I'm back home. Grabe, na-stress ako doon kasi ewan ko kung inaantok na ba to or what. Pero parang hindi naman eh. I-cry-cry ang baby. Dapat din ako magdala ng stroller kasi buhat ko lang siya. Anyways, I need to take a bath for the second time because it's so freaking hot. Huh? Eto, walang pahirapan sa pag-inom ng vitamins. Overdose nga to sa vitamins. Ayaw tigilan. Si Zach medyo mahirap eh. Hindi ko maalala kung nung si Zeb nun eh, ganit, mahirap. Oy, 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 no, 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 no. I will give you, ay, wait. Anyway, they're done. I'm gonna say goodnight. It's 9:05 na. And yun, I need to take a bath. Grabing init. See you tomorrow, guys. Hope you had a happy Saturday. Zeb, say bye-bye. Zeb, say bye-bye. Bye. Ano ba yan? Baliktad. Uh-oh. I will wash it first. Okay, bye, guys. Paglabas na ako ng fitting room, nagdalawang isip ako, binalik ko yung kinuha ko. Kuripot. Hashtag kuripot.